Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Hi, if you haven't done it yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join me in this wonderful journey of English learning.
Hi there! Today we're going to talk about the problematic TH sound, or the th and the sound. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's talk about the first kind, which is the voiceless TH. And so, voiceless means wala kang marinig na sound, right? So, th, right? So, it's thorn. And remember, it's not torn. It's not the sound of T, but it's TH. So you stick out your tongue under your teeth. Thorn. Can you say that? Okay, thorn. Very good. And the second type is the voiced TH. That means when it's voiced, you can hear a voice, right? There. It's not the sound of D. It's hindi siya there. Okay, no. It's there. So again, stick out your tongue and put some voice in it. There. You can feel the vibration, right? In your mouth. There. Okay, good. Okay, so let's have some fun, okay? So we're gonna guess which word is voiced, meaning the, or voiceless, th. Okay? Alright, ready? Let's go! Alright, so we have a pair of words here. The first one is a noun, and the second one is a verb. So which one is voiced, the, and which one is voiceless, th? Okay? Let's check. Yes, the first one is voiceless. So you pronounce it as breath. And the second one is voiced. So you say breathe. It's not breathe. No, that's wrong, okay? It's breathe. Can you say it with me? Breathe. Okay, let's do it again. Breath. Breathe. Very good. Now let's look at the second pair. The first word is a noun, and the second word is a verb. What do you think? Which one is voiceless and which one is voiced? Okay, you ready? Let's look and check. Yes, the first one is voiceless. Cloth. Okay, that's a noun. And then the second one is clothe. That's the verb. So let's repeat. Cloth, clothe. All right, very good. Okay, so now let's go to the third pair. Again, the first one is a noun and the second one is a verb. So by now it should be easy, right? Okay, let's check. Yes, the first one is voiceless. Bath. And the second one, which is a verb, is bathe. So you say sunbathing. It's not sunbathing or sunbathing. No, sunbathing, because it's a verb, right? Bathe. Okay, great. Okay, and the next pair is I almost said it. Okay, the first is a noun and the second one is a verb. So again, they look the same, but it can be used as a noun or a verb. What do you think? Okay, let's check. Yes, the first one, which is a noun, that's the one in your face, is a mouth. But then the verb is mouth. So you mouth the words. Mouth. Okay? All right, cool. Okay, next pair. The first one is a noun, and it can also be an adjective. And the second one is an adjective. So what do you think? How do you pronounce these words? Let's check. The first is worth. Worth. This is worth $5. Okay? Worthy. Worthy. So it's voiced. Worthy. Worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is the Lord. Okay? So it's not worthy. So even when you're singing, you don't say worthy. You are worthy. No, it's worthy. You are worthy. Right? So it's voiced. So once again, let's say it. Worth. Worthy. All right, good. Now let's practice more voiceless words together, okay? So repeat after me. Thunder. It's not thunder, okay? It's thunder. Thermos, not thermos, okay? Thermos. Thaw. Thought. So it's not thought, okay? It's thought. Thin. It's not tin, but thin. 13. It's not 13, okay? It's 13. So stick out your tongue, okay? The next one is throat. It's not throat, okay? It's throat. Thanksgiving. It's not Thanksgiving. No, it's Thanksgiving. Thumb. So it's not thumb and it's not thumb. No, it's thumb. Alright? Thick, not thick, but it's thick. Thursday, not Thursday or Thursday. It's Thursday. Theater, not chatter, okay, or chatter. No, it's theater. And if you're British, theater, if you're British. And you have thousand. It's not thousand, it's thousand. Birthday. It's not birthday, but birthday. Earth. It's not earth, but it's earth. Toothbrush. It's not toothbrush. No, it's toothbrush. Healthy. It's not healthy. It's healthy. So you stick out your tongue with the TH. Healthy. Athlete. It's not athlete. Okay, it's athlete. Truth. It's not truth. And it's not truth. Hindi siya baliktad, right? So it's truth. Truth. Okay, cool. Thing. It's not thing. It's thing. Math. It's not math. It's math. Month. It's not month. It's month. Broth. Chicken broth. Wreath. Okay. Fifth. It's not pip. It's fifth. Teeth. It's not teeth, but it's teeth. Strength. It's not strength. No. It's strength. Strength. Okay. South. It's not south. It's south. Underneath. And oath. It's not oath taking. It's oath. Oath. Method. It's not method. It's method. Panther. Nothing. It's not nothing. It's nothing. Okay, very good. Alright, now let's go to the voice TH words. Let's do it together. Feather. It's not feather. Okay? It's feather. Gather. It's not gather. So don't make the mistake of pronouncing TH as D. No, it should be TH voiced. Gather. Weather is not weather. Okay, weather. Lather, not lather. It's lather. leather, not leather, but leather. Bother. Rhythm. It's not rhythm or rhythm or rhythm or rhythm. No, it's rhythm. Okay? Smooth. Yes, that is voiced. It's not smooth. No. It's not smooth. No. It's smooth. And also, it's not smooth. Okay? It's smooth. Alright. Then, slither. Slither. Tithe. Yes, that is voiced. TH. It's not tithe. No, it's not tithe. No, it's tithe. So in church we say tithes and offering. It's not tithes and offering. No, it's tithes and offering. Okay? Southern. I know. Hold your reins. It's south, voiceless, but when you add earn, it becomes voiced. Southern. Okay? Soothe. It's not soothe. Okay? Soothe. Okay, so we have other expressions or other words in the English language that are not verbs or adjectives, and they're just parts of speech. So let's look at some of these words that are voiced. Okay, so let's repeat. Repeat after me. Okay, ready? That, than, the, they, their, them, these, this, those, though, themselves, therefore, the, although, another, altogether, either, neither, or either, neither, other, together, otherwise, altogether. So as you can see, it's voiced, and make no mistake in pronouncing it as D. No, it's still TH, so you don't say another. It's another, okay? Alright, good. So when do we not pronounce TH voiced or voiceless? Interesting question. Actually, there are only, I think, about 4 words that are spelled with a TH, but you don't pronounce it as voiced or voiceless, but rather with the sound of T. So there are some exceptions, but very few. So let's look at them. The first one is Thailand. You don't pronounce the H. You don't pronounce it as th or the. Instead, you only pronounce it with T. Thailand. Thai. Time. Thomas. Okay? So it's not Thailand, Thai, Thyme, Thomas. No, it's not like that. It's just a letter T, the sound of T. Okay, let's do it again. Thailand, Thai, time, Thomas. Hooray! You finished the lesson. Good job. Now my question to you is, what TH sound is hard for you? Is it the voiced or the voiceless one? So please comment below and let me know what you think, okay? I hope you had fun and learned something new today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.